Okay, so I bought the last air purifier for our home, and this one is an Electrolux Pure A9. So I will do an unboxing of this, and this is a very huge air purifier, so it covers almost whole of our apartment actually. So check this unboxing out. As you can see here, Pure A9 Electrolux. And as you can see here, you can install an app on your phone, connect it to Wi-Fi and use the app to do some settings and check stats and so on from this air purifier. Pretty nifty. And as you can see here, different filters, pollen and so on. And really nice, beautiful air purifier, I think. Here we have some instructions and so on. And here we have air purifier. That's what's in the box. Let's take these away. And check the air purifier out. As you can see, very high, very tall air purifier. I think it looks really nice with this textile. I like these handles too, very nice. And here is the LCD display with some touch buttons. You can see that. And here we have the power and so on. Power cable, and as you can see here, we have some stickers and so on from Electrolux, and we have some remove the filter's plastic bag before use. Okay, so there is a plastic bag on the inside of the filter that we need to remove before use. I really like the design of this. Looks nice, very nice. So that's about it. Here we have the filters, as you can see. And I will remove the plastic bag, as I say I should do. this filter is breeze filter. As you can see, I can buy different filters, for example for pollen and so on. Looks nice. Like so. We remove this. And then put this back. And now the air purifier should be ready to use. Okay. That's it. Okay. Bye.